Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to enable the Auto-Reconnect feature within FieldGenius. So when you have this box selected, it will automatically connect back to your last instrument. So what I've done is I've got FieldGenius open and I'm on my main home screen, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to the bottom left corner here and click the plumb bob icon, and then I'm going to go into Settings and Options. Within my Options menu here, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. You can see here I've got the system drop down at the very bottom, and if I scroll down even further, you can see that I have several options here, including Show Tooltips, Communication Trace File, Always Reconnect, and Datum Warning Dialog. In my case, as I said, I want that Always Auto Reconnect option checked so that it will automatically try to reconnect to my last device. And to save that, I'm going to click on OK. And that is everything for today's video. That is how you enable the Auto Reconnect feature within FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I will please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.